We are asked to determine if this point here satisfies this system of inequalities. So to determine if it does, what we'll do is we will let x be 6, y be 5, and we'll substitute these values in for the x's and y's in our inequalities. So we'll get 8 times 6 plus 2 times 5, and what we want to know is that less than or equal to 27, so this will give us 48 plus 10 less than or equal to 67, so we'll get 58 less than or equal to 67, which is a true statement. So let's substitute these values in for x and y in each one of these inequalities, see if we get a true statement or a false statement. Let's start here with the first inequality, 8x plus 2y less than or equal to 67. So substituting, we'll get 8 times 6 plus 2 times 5 less than or equal to 67. 48 plus 10 less than or equal to 67, which gives us 58 less than or equal to 67, which is a true statement. So the first inequality is satisfied. Let's go for the second. So the second is x plus y less than or equal to 15. So x is 6 plus y is 5 less than or equal to 15. 11 less than or equal to 15. Again, that's true. So this point, 6, 5, satisfies the second inequality. Let's move on to the third. Let's look at 3x plus 7y less than or equal to 60. So we'll get 3 times 6 plus 7 times 5 less than or equal to 60. This is 18 plus 35 less than or equal to 60. That'll give us 53 less than or equal to 60, which again is a true statement. So that inequality is satisfied. So now let's just take a look to see if these two inequalities are satisfied. I think we can see that pretty clearly, but let's write it down. We'll get x greater than or equal to 0. X is 6 greater than or equal to 0. That's true. And y greater than or equal to 0. 5 greater than or equal to 0. Again, that's true. So let's write a conclusion here. So we can say this: since the given point satisfies all the inequalities, it is in the feasible set of this system.